So for this, I have followed some of the tutorials from Unity Learn website. It's an official website for the Unity Learn, basically Unity game development. So I would start with the car sim game that I have learned from them. Basically, this game include all the pre-built asset that Unity provides. The main motive of learning this tutorial is to learn the programming of C Sharp and how to apply it in Unity game engine. So if I show you this game, it's just a simple car simulator game, but here it's not a car. Here it is a tank basically. So what we have to do is use arrow keys to avoid these obstacles, because if you collide, some mishap can happen, and if you just jump out of the road, you can just fall like this. It's just an endless fall. There's not any game over or some kind of that thing. Basically, that's the beginner's thing that you can do with Unity, and it's pretty cool. And if you want to see some of the more samples, so that this is a plane simulator game. If you see this game, it's pretty boring, but it's just like Flappy Bird. Avoidance at every step, you have to do that. Act, it's acting weird kind of thing, but I think that's the most basic thing I can make. Let's shut it down. Another game that I would like to show you that includes some UI part, like UI Text Mash Pro of T, to basically show scores, and when the game is over, it just shows the game over. Here you also have to collect some medicine kind of stuff to increase the score, and as you can see it in the corner of the screen, left hand corner. So my score is 4. Let's complete these all things. After you complete it, basically the game will be over and you will be shown a message of game over. And the best one game that I have developed so far is the Pixel Runner Endless, and it's really good, simple. Let's see it. So these are some basic game that I have developed in just 1 or 2 week, I guess. So let me show you. So let me show you the website from where I have learned it. So the website is Learn Unity. You can go on to this website and you can see some of the tutorials sections here. You can begin with Unity Essentials, but if you want to start right away, you just go to Learn with Pathways and you can find different pathways basically. So what this is going to do is that you will be taught some of the basic fundamental programming concepts of C Sharp and how to implement that in Unity game engine. And it's pretty long course. It takes time, and after finishing this course, when you finish, you can just jump onto this creative core. So basically this junior programmer course does not include all the stuffs like graphics and animation and all that stuffs and UI kind of part. So you have to do this creative core course to basically learn all the graphical elements and how these animation are going and how to create your 3D own assets. So you can just try this website. It's good, really good. I mean, it's slow and it's good for beginners. So that's it for the video. Thank you.